In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe After Effects slow playback. If your previews are laggy, choppy, or just painfully slow, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a few simple changes you can make inside After Effects to get much smoother playback without changing your project or your hardware. First, make sure you've got your project open inside the After Effects editor. Have your main composition active so that you can immediately see the difference as we tweak settings. Everything we'll do happens right inside the interface. You already know. The fastest and easiest improvement you can make is to lower your preview resolution. Look at the bottom of the composition panel. You'll see a drop down that probably says full. This controls how detailed your preview is while you work. Click that drop down and change it from full to half. And if your machine is really struggling, try going down to quarter. What this does is reduce the amount of pixels After Effects has to render in real time. Your final export will still be full quality, but your previews become much lighter and easier for your computer to handle. It's a great habit to work at half or quarter while animating, and then switch back to full only when you need to check fine details. Next, let's turn on fast previews. Stay in the composition panel and look for the small lightning bolt icon. This controls how After Effects prioritizes speed versus quality during previews. Click that lightning bolt and you'll see options like fast draft and adaptive resolution. Choose fast draft if you want the maximum speed boost. It may simplify some visual details, but it lets you see your motion and timing much more fluidly. Alternatively, choose adaptive resolution if you want After Effects to automatically lower the quality only when necessary. In both cases, remember that this is just for preview. Your render will still use your full quality settings. Now let's improve performance by optimizing your disk cache, which is very important. Go to the top menu and open Edit, then Preferences, and choose Memory and CPU. A dialog box will appear. On the left side of that window, look for the section labeled Disk or Disk Cache and click it. Here, make sure Disk Cache is enabled. If you have enough free space on your drive, increase the cache size so After Effects can store more preview frames. This allows the software to reuse frames instead of recalculating them every time you hit play. While you're here, click Empty Disk Cache and also click Clean Database and Cache. This clears out old, unnecessary data that can slow things down over time. When you're done, click OK to save your settings. And that's it. By opening your project, lowering your preview resolution, turning on fast previews, and properly enabling and cleaning your disk cache, you should notice a big improvement in how smoothly your compositions play back while you work in After Effects.